What's up, guys? Dante down here at Scott Kia in Springfield. How do you find me, guys? You can find me by dialing or texting 610-931-6939, guys. We are located at 321 Baltimore Pike in Springfield, Pennsylvania, zip code 19064, guys. You guys remember back when it was rainy and cold? Now it's starting to flurry and snow outside, downstairs in the underground showroom. Unfortunately, when I come down here, I know you guys are so disappointed, but I cannot go live just because it's a concrete basement warehouse situation and we don't have the Wi-Fi down here, guys. But what I can tell you is I have a good amount of Fortes that we just got in. So the cool thing is, if you're looking for a Forte, if you're looking for a Forte lease, if you're looking for a finance, if you just want some new technology, maybe you want to upgrade your old Forte, maybe you've been driving for 5 years or more, maybe your lease is coming up, we definitely have some Fortes. Another thing, guys, that we have is we actually have a couple Sportage all-wheel drive LXs with the value pack, and that's what I want to show you right now. All right, guys, so here we have actually a Pacific Blue all-wheel drive Sportage with the value package installed, and then next to it I have a Pacific Blue Nightfall Sportage. So they're both all-wheel drive, both the same colors. I just want to show you what the differences are. So you're going to see on the value package you have the 18-inch wheels, or like a star-shaped 5-spoke, whereas you have the multi-spoke and a lighter, almost like a gunmetal chrome color on the Nightfall edition. On the Nightfall edition, guys, and I apologize if I'm yelling at you guys, but you got to deal with what you got to deal with when you're down the basement. But on the Nightfall, it does black out the emblems, smokes the badges, but it still looks sharp on the non-Nightfall, having the chrome emblems like stock. Color-wise, it's the same. The cool thing about the value package, guys, is you actually get the LED turn signals in the mirrors. You do get the push-button start on the inside. You get the heated seats, which is also nice. The mirrors are heated on the outside as well. You have the power driver's seat here. So again, the value package is realistically just that, guys. As we lower our tune, we have our heated seats here, driver and passenger. Of course, you have your downhill brake control, guys. Again, it is a very clean car. These new design Sportages are just extremely nice. They seat 5, a ton of storage, especially when you fold down the seats. Let me show you this, guys. Now this one has the all-weather floor liner in the rear. Well, look at this, guys. This goes out to all the people that are looking for, you know, an SUV, fit a kid or two, maybe some dogs, but you're not ready to go something too big with the third row. Sportage fits the bit, guys. It is extremely wide. The way that the wheel well arches are, you still have a ton of usable space here. So again, realistically, guys, you can make those trips to Target, IKEA, you name it. You can fit a pretty big and pretty tall piece of furniture here, guys. So you can definitely fit some nice size equipment in this trunk. Value package, guys, it's the way to go on a Sportage. It gets you the styling of the Nightfall. You save about $4 to $4.5 grand, which is huge. And again, if you don't want the sunroof, if you don't want all the bells and whistles, it's a nice step up from what you would say is a base LX. It's still all-wheel drive. And guess what, guys? I have one in Pacific Blue, and I have one all the way down here, all blacked out. And look at this bad boy, guys. Look at this, all blacked out, looks just as nice. This one has the dark interior. So again, you see power driver's seat. You have your downhill brake assist control, your heated seats. Looks even more sinister, all blacked out, guys. Let me walk around to the front, show you what it looks like in black. Again, it's a clean looking car. Very, very clean. Nice curves, very eye appealing. And let's head right back to the Pacific Blue Value Pack LX all-wheel drive. Nice looking car, guys. So guys, I'm gonna wrap that one right here. Again, LX Value Package, all-wheel drive. We have two. I have to check on the pearl white one that just came in. I have to see if that's available for sale. But guys, as always, if you see anything in a video, if you go, oh, what's that car in the background? And you're just curious about what my inventory is. It changes daily, it changes weekly. You know, we can only update everything as fast as they come in, guys. So don't be afraid. Call, text, email me, 610-931-6939, guys. I'll get you squared away. We'll have some fun. Maybe the next video I'll go live in the snow. As always, guys, thanks for watching. It's Dante.